And oh, if I could open up my heart, you'll see that I love you. If I could open up my heart, I really love you, baby, and I hope you still love me too. Now there's been times when you doubted me, like the time your friend said I found another man. But oh, you should have known that could never be, 'cause you're the only one in the whole wide world for me. If I could open up my heart, I really love you, baby, and I hope you love me too. If I could open up my heart, and if you could only look inside of me, you'll see that everything I say is true. Now I know that I made you mad, babe, and you kinda hurt me too. You know you did. But oh, you got to expect that sometimes, 'cause that's what love will do. Love me too. If I could open up my heart, and if you could only look inside of me, you'll see that everything I say is true. 'Cause every beat of my heart goes out to you. Every beat of my heart goes out to you. Every beat of my heart goes out to you. Every beat of my heart goes out to you. You, baby. You, baby. You, baby. Yeah, yeah. Open up my heart, then you'll see how much I really love you. It's gonna take some time, baby, just to let you know where I'm coming from. But oh, I can't hardly wait now to keep